me for 21 minutes. Now, my paperwork of me suing my neighbors, they held, and I have witnesses, for 8 weeks, they held these papers. I was suing these neighbors. So you interfered with a federal investigation, due process of law, tampering, witness tampering, and now I'm filing a lawsuit against your department. Mary personally and Scott personally have been added. Put it down, 2020 CV 0165, $100 million lawsuit. And I cannot believe that y'all investigated and found nothing. You're so liable, it's not even funny. My civil rights have been trampled upon. And I have enough video of your little Scott following me and stalking me throughout the community. They held my federal lawsuit papers. Your Alabaster post office did that. And they opened all of my legal letters and taped them back, which I have 2 witnesses of that. You're interfering with a federal investigation tied to biomedical, human trafficking, and national security and election fraud. John Flynn, Senate candidate, and I are in a $100 million lawsuit. And your department and your Mary and your Scott that have tortured me, that have absolutely trampled my rights. You're being sued. I've turned you into the Attorney General. I have turned you into Senator Warner, who I answer to. I'm an asset of the CIA. I answer to Senator Warner. So I'd like to know, why was I under investigation? Why for 2 years Mary withheld my mail? Why y'all never told me why I was on investigation? And why you tampered with my mail? You got in a federal investigation. You've totally blown that out of the water. And now you're telling me that y'all have investigated and you have found no evidence. Unbelievable. I've been poisoned. We've had 9 people murdered, 25 poisonings, and I've been swatted, shot at, and ran out of the state from my home. The Shelby County Sheriff and Police Department, after your boy follows me and sits there and gasses me with a silver container for 21 minutes as he goes into my next door neighbor's house, Ginger Grice, and stays inside. I have a video, and I called your department, so there's a phone record. You're trafficking me. And your Mary knew it. I brought a little girl, Lizzie Bravo, into that post office that literally had her 2 children ripped from her by CPS-DHR. We were getting shot at by the cartel, and Mary wouldn't deliver my mail at home when I made her look at the woman whose child was ripped from her and said that she couldn't help me, when we both said every time we come to get my mail, you are literally putting my life and this woman's life in danger. And then I had a car wreck when they tried to kill me on 459 when I was hit not once, but twice. And I was in agony with 2 torn discs, and my surgeon wrote a letter that she had to deliver my mail, and she still didn't deliver my mail, and I missed 3 court dates because of it. I had no transportation, I was hurt, and I had no mail service. You are liable. Well, you better tell your department I'm coming. I'm coming legally. I'm coming TV-wise. I'm going to let everybody know when the government, when they absolutely target your life and they want you to shut up and they want you dead, this is the bullshit that you live through. You have a nice day.